Hi everyone, welcome to my Nookery. My name's Linda and I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers. I'm not far off the 5k now. Wow. Thank you all so very much for joining my channel, and I hope you enjoy the videos and the lives that I do every Wednesday, and also once a month on my channel we do the Yarny Fibre Sisters with my beautiful Jeannie and my Magenta V. So, and also the challenges, which is the last Saturday of every month. So welcome and thank you for joining us. Well, you're wondering, what am I going to show you today? Well, last week, Thursday, I went to a workshop at Black Sheep Wools, which is my local yarn shop here in the UK in Warrington. And I made this little sock, which I showed you in my podcast. And this was using Stylecraft Highland Heathers. And so I'm really pleased with that. The teacher was Juliet Bernard, and I had a really good day. Of course, being in the local yarn shop, I just couldn't come home with nothing now, could I? So I spent quite a little bit of money. So let me show you what I bought. So, and actually on the 17th to the 24th of September, now you all know my birthday is the 24th of September, is Yarn Extravaganza UK hand knitting here in the UK. So I'll definitely pop along to that. So I bought myself a couple of patterns. This is one of them. I really like the off the shoulder. And you can either have short sleeves or you can have long sleeves, and this is knitted, guys. This is knitted. I didn't get the yarn with this pattern. I've not decided what one, but I really like the look of it, so I got that. But what I did get, I got this pattern. Isn't that lovely? I love it. So that is something that is going to go on my my list of whips to do. I'm not sure when I'm going to start it, but I'll put the link for this and the link for this one in the description box below. I got myself wooden stitch knitting needles, which are one of the sizes I need for this pattern. I've already got the bigger size, so I've got the smaller size. And then of course I had to buy some sock yarn, so I bought this one. And this is actually called Socks, and you know I bought it's Coop Knits, Superwash Merino, 75% and 25% nylon, and it's called, the colour is called Chryso, and it's not a lovely green. I just thought I fancied doing a plainish sock, and this is a sock weight yarn, guys. It's not a DK, so I'm looking forward to that. And then I got a blue, which this is called Benoit, and I'm going to do Ricopere with this colour yarn. So, and then I bought this yarn, which is Shepier's Wurlette. This colour is Luscious, And I bought this colour, which is, what colour is this one? What colour is this one? This is Bilberry, and I thought they would look really nice together. And they, in fact, I'm thinking they might look nice for this sweater. So, what do you think? I really like them colours, so I got 4 of them. Because these are 100 grams, 60 cotton, 40 acrylic. It's a finger weight, and so yeah, and it's the correct weight yarn for this, because this is a 4-ply, so which I can use finger weight with that, or a sport weight. So yeah, so I've got the required amount for them, so that's one sweater pattern sorted. And then I got some snips. I really like these snips. Oops, I got some snips. I got some 3mm circular needles for socks, because you know I plan on making socks for quite a while. And then I got, the last thing I bought, guys, is this is monochrome cotton. It's made in Turkey by URTH Earth. Knit one, plant one, it says. There's 275 yards. It's a three weight, guys, and it's a cotton, but I got enough to make one of the sweater patterns, because I realised I was going to use a 2-weight yarn, but it's not, it's a 3-weight yarn is needed. So that's the yarn I purchased, and I think that'll look nice with it. So yeah, so I got them, all them. So I've got enough to make a sweater. So I bought enough yarn for 2 pairs of socks and 2 sweaters. I got the, as you notice, there's no bright colours and that. I got, because these are going to be for winter and autumn and winter, so I wanted some different coloured yarn, because I think I've got, when I look at my, I've got plenty of brights, and that's what I wanted. I wanted some darker yarn. So that's all from me for today. What was your favourite yarn? What would you make with it? So the yarn that I purchased, I'll get 2 pairs of socks and 2 sweaters. Yay! So that's, and I got 3 sets of needles. I got a pair of snips, and that's it. So take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you, and until the next time, bye for now.